My name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2019 230 Sunliner model offered by Harris Pontoon. It's a great looking pontoon. It's a tan on the exterior, kind of a gray accent stripe there on the side. This boat's powered by a 115 horsepower Mercury engine. This is considered to be our center walkthrough with dual helm layout. So you got two captain chairs here, as well as a couple loungers in the front and a couple loungers in the back. This one comes with a convenience package, so you get an extra cup holder there where you can move around from side to side. All your cup holders are recessed into the seats, which is nice. You have armrests here for your loungers in the front and in the back. Here at the helm, we have a Fusion audio head unit with Fusion speakers. You have your tack, depth finder, trim gauge, fuel levels, all that at the helm. The captain chair here comes with an adjustable seat adjustment, so you can move it up and down and see over people in front of you. And again, you got your loungers here and back. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat or one of our other boats here today.